is Pete Fazzaro. I'm from Fazzaro Plumbing and Heating, based out of New Jersey. My brother and I actually we're partners. We've been in business since 1999, and we mostly do new construction, building for national builders. Like I said, Ryan Holmes, D.R. Horton, and Lennar are our main companies that we work for. We've been using it for the last 10 years. It's made life 10 times easier using the P380. Obviously, it's easier to install. You're not digging these giant pits. And the accessibility for all the stuff inside the unit is real easy to get to. Obviously, the P380, because in New Jersey, the average house is always getting a basement bathroom. The whole facility is amazing to see how they actually put things together, the thought process on all the stations and stuff like that. And the people were really nice. It's a good place.